Hello there! I just wanted to share with you guys my electric bass recording setup. And here we go. So, there is my sort of P bass, and it hooks in to this pedal that I've shown you before, the Electro-Harmonix Bass Soul Food. And then it goes into my Radial JDI where the signal splits. On one hand it goes to the amp. And so here I have an Ampeg BA12 that's being recorded by an ElectroVoice RE20 microphone that's heading over here to my Gap Pre-73 DLX, heading up here to a Warm Audio WA76 limiting amplifier, and then heading to my converter. And so if I go back to the other parallel path, so I just showed you the amp path, and it splits through the Radial JDI. We get the DI path, or the direct input path, which heads over to the Daking Mic Pre 1, which goes up to yet another Warm Audio WA76, and then to the A to D converters, which goes into the Fireface RME Fireface UC, which goes then into the computer DAW, which I don't have up right now, but you can see my speaking going into the level of the RE20 and moving the level that's coming in there. So now that I've gone over all the equipment, this Bass Soul Food pedal is an important part of the sound. It gives it a little bit of grit, not very much. You know, I try to go for a sort of pseudo 70s rock type sound, if you will. So this is some light overdrive. And what's really great for recording bass is that it has a blend knob. That is the secret sauce that allows you to send both a certain amount of distorted or overdriven signal and also some of the original signal. And here I have the blend fairly low because all the way down here is 0 and here is about 100%. So it's about at maybe 30-35% blend, meaning 35% of the overdriven signal is being sent and the rest is clean. And so I'm sending that to both the direct signal and the amp. And I've experimented. Sometimes I've tried, for example, to put the overdriven signal only on the amp or only on the DI. And this is the way I generally prefer to do it at this point, is to use the overdriven signal on both. The disadvantage, of course, is that the amount of overdrive has to be the same. But there you have it, and I plan on sharing some videos that give you sound samples of what that sounds like on some of my different tracks in the context of a mix in short order. So in the next few days or weeks, that'll be coming up on this channel. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Take care. Have a good one. It's sunny here. I'm happy. Bravo, bravo. Peace, and I am out.